How to remove your Bitmojis from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings, just tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, you just have to tap on the search bar and simply type Bitmoji, and after that you simply have to tap on the Bitmoji from the result. And now here in this section at the bottom you'll see the option labeled as unlink my Bitmoji. So here you simply need to tap on it, and after that you have to confirm your action by tapping on remove button, and once you do that your Bitmoji will be removed from your Snapchat profile. And that's it. That's how you can remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.